There are three skills you need to learn as an adult growing up in Nigeria or anywhere you are. Those three skills are: first, you need to learn how to make money, you need to learn how to manage money, and the last one is that you need to learn how to multiply money. Okay, you don't know how money is made, that's why they are scammed every day online. Money is made when you have a product you are selling or you have a service you are rendering. Anything you are doing that does not involve rendering or exchange of value, you have something I'm going to pay you for, that is not a business and is going to be crashing anytime soon. There must be something you are selling in exchange for money. That is how money is made. Alright? The next skill you need to learn is how to manage money. Some people have made money at a particular time in their life, but because they don't know the skill of managing money, that money evaporated or disappeared. Because money is called currency. It's always on the move. If it comes to you and you cannot manage it very well, the money goes away and you need to pray very harder to be able to get that money back in your radar. So how is money made? Money is made by budgeting, planning. You need to give your money assignments that is going to do. If not, the money will go and you won't know what you did with that money. That's why people, sometimes when people win lottery, you will see them buying a lot of things because they have not grown their mind to be able to accept such money. They will waste all the money until it's made like 100k. That is the one that they can accept. So first thing, you need to grow your mind to be able to understand that this is money and I need to manage it by planning, budgeting, and living within your means. Don't, because you have money, increase all your expenses, fund the things you cannot afford before now. Increase your girlfriend. If he's a married man, he will go and get multiple side chicks because money entered his hand. That's not right. The last skill you need to learn is how to multiply money. Now the money is now here. If you don't learn how to multiply that money, it's going to go too. Money is multiplied by investing. You need to invest in real estate, invest in stocks, invest in bonds. There are many places, but the best investment I recommend for everybody is real estate. There is no loss in investing in real estate, and that's the business I do. So if you are ready to invest in real estate, I can be your guide and guide you to invest in real estate all around Nigeria. If you got value from this video, follow me for more investment tips.